Hi guys, my name is Philip Song, and I'm gonna introduce some facts about health of our river. So I'll be going over some basic things about what happened in our trip to Tanchan, as well as some basic facts about the river health. River is a natural water course, usually fresh water flowing toward an ocean, a lake, a sea, or another river. So, river health. What is a river health? It is a term used to describe the ecological condition of the river. So, the condition. So, in order to define health, health is more than just the plants and animals that live in the raw water or the quality of the water in it. Okay, so what are some things that the river must have in order to be healthy? So, majority of the plants and animal species are native. Then, second of all, the natural ecosystem processes are maintained. And third, native fish and other animals are able to move, migrate up and down the river. And the other thing is that the native riverbank vegetation is sustainable along the river's length. So what I mean by vegetation is the there should be lots of plants and trees right next to the river. And the last one is natural linkages with the sea or terminal lakes are maintained. So it means that the river must be linked to the sea or terminal lakes. Okay. So, however, what I saw was tension. That doesn't seem very healthy at all. Hmm. Was it because of the rain? Or was it because of the Tanshan River itself? What I saw was the water was dirty in the river, and couldn't see any animals, like no animals and no native fishes were found when we came back from the Tanshan. So it seemed like the natural ecosystem wasn't was not in process. When we started to take a close look at the water, there were no organisms found alive. So, which means that the water was dirty at that time. Since the since rain was very hard, so it might be because of the rain that we weren't able to find any live fishes from the river. However, the good thing is that some part of plant and natural linkages were maintained, and the vegetation was sustainable. And also, river channels had rocks and woody debris and riverbanks. So, as we saw in the tank, the water tank, in Miss Wenzel's room, we were able to see some rocks and woody debris, right? And some part of the plants were maintained. And I wouldn't say that no organisms were found, but there were some organisms. However, they were dead. So unfortunately, they were dead. So we couldn't find a live organism. But it had a potential that it would become a very healthy river. So although the Tantra River we had first we have visited last time was in poor condition, was qualified. The river itself was qualified in some categories of a healthy river. and it showed some potential to become a very healthy river. So after we came back from Tachan, I thought to myself, we care, if we care a little bit more about the river, then Tachan would become a very healthy river in Korea, as well as Hangang River. So even though it's a huge river, a long river in Pundang, but if you take a little more care about the river, then it will become a very healthy river. Okay.